So today is 2021-04-28, and we're going to have a FOMC meeting just a few hours later. And I'm going to talk about the major markets so that you will have some idea, okay? Okay, for the sterling, we have a very strong rally last week, okay? And now the price have already completed the pullback and found a base here trying to make a consolidation, okay? And this actually gives me a hint that the sterling may go south to another high because the trend line has already been broken. All right, you can see their buyers are very strong, acting at 1.3850. Okay, so if we have a pullback to 1.3880, you can consider to long for the sterling. And in 1 hour chart, this very strong bullish candle already occurred. Okay, so this gives us this reversal point of this is valid. 1.3870 has become a very strong support, and the trend line was just broken. Okay, just broken. So we have another 33 minutes to wait for this 1 hour candle to be closed outside. If it did doing this behavior, so we want to buy the pullback. Okay, ideal pullback entry will be at 1.3890. This level, so you can wait for a pullback or you can wait for inside bar. Okay, inside bar breakup will be a good choice for you, okay, to go for sterling's long, right? Let's update of the gold. Okay, gold has a strong reversal just now. Okay, we have a very strong bullish engulfing candle formed, and now it's pulling back to 1770, which gives this support of this level here very strong. Okay, this is strong support. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, 7 touches, but never failed to break 1762. And the recent 1 hour candle has been closing outside and break their downtrend line. Okay, here. See, the downtrend channel was just broken. So our job is going to be find the 618 or 38.2 or 50. You want to do any pullback and a buy, right? Any pullback and a buy. That will be a good choice. Okay. So this is my suggestion that gold pullback to 1767. You can consider to buy. And aim for 1782 at least, and even 1800 for more upside room. Okay. Yeah, that will be a highly profitable trade. Okay. And let's look at euro dollar. Euro dollar is very strong. Daily chart. Daily chart keeps going up and forms a very strong bullish outside bar here, and followed by 3 small doji or pin bar here. And so it really depends on the FOMC meeting, but to me, I think as long as the euro is above this trend line, it should be all right to long the euro. Okay, I think the euro will give you a bonus to 1.22 or even 1.23. Okay, yeah. Now look at the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, since last week's webinar, we have this triangle breakup, right? It's quite strong, and we are still holding all this long. I think the Aussie will touch 0.79. Okay, so you can still consider to buy Aussie aiming 0.79. Okay, for Kiwi very strong. Kiwi also formed the triangle breakup. Okay, and Kiwi has been successfully above 0.7186, which gives a total reversal of this previous pressure line, now becomes support. So Kiwi dollar going up to 0.74, right? You can long Kiwi, will be a good choice. How about a dollar Canadian? Okay, dollar Canadian keeps going down, right? Just breaks new low, and it is a daily inside bar breakdown. So go for it. Go for the dollar Canadian sell, right? You can sell it right now. I think the dollar Canadian will move even lower to 1.20 and even 1.16. Yeah. So dollar Canadian a lot of inside bar happens. All right, this inside bar breakdown. Then this is another inside bar breakdown. So you can just need to place your stop loss about 1.2421. Now it's risking only 40 pips, right, to go for this inside bar entry for a very strong short dollar Canadian. It will keeps moving down, and then once it break 1.2360, it will goes to 1.20. Yeah, daily weekly chart. I have mentioned dollar Canadian will go back to testing this place. Yeah, 1.21, 1.20, and a monthly chart will even go to 1.15, okay, 1.16 to 1.15. So this is a strong trend for the dollar Canadian. So yeah, just a short the dollar Canadian will give you a very good rate. How about the dollar yen? Okay, dollar yen, I want you guys to focus on setting high. All right, because the dollar yen has been makes a reversal around 111 level. Now it's going up, pull back a little bit. So use 618 to get the 109.66 to go to the short for the dollar yen. Okay, it may goes down to go back 106 or 105. Okay, although there's a strong pullback, strong rally, but doesn't change the overall trend. The dollar yen's trend is still overall is still bearish. Okay, still bearish. The high isn't getting higher, it's getting lower. Okay, high is getting lower, and its low is getting lower as well. So whenever we see a pullback, we want to sell the dollar yen. For the dollar Swiss, okay, dollar Swiss, you may consider to look at the 0.90 level. Okay, dollar Swiss will be a little bit different than the other currencies because I think the Swiss franc will perform even bad or worse, okay, than the dollar. So the dollar Swiss you can consider to long it from 0.90. Okay, try to use this neckline to as your weapons to go for it. All right. This dollar Swiss. Let's move on to S&P. S&P, wow, after we mentioned there are a lot of buying opportunities along the way. The S&P is still going up, making an all-time high 4194. I think it's going to touch 4,200. Weekly chart, there's nothing we have to go for a short. The S&P is still too strong. Okay, the last week has a pin bar here. Okay, so this pin bar represents a lot of buyers are around a 4119, push the price back to 4176. Daily chart, another base and going up. Okay, 4-hour chart. Look at here. There are a lot of buyers around this level. Okay, we see this demand zone here, 4150. Okay, so I think the S&P you can consider to buy from 4150 to long for the even higher price, but try not to squeeze to go for a long right now because the price is really up too high, and it's quite dangerous because if the pullback happens, it may go back to 4150, right? Just like last time it did. Okay, you may encounter something like this, a quick fall, and then goes up reversed. Okay, so trying to buy the dip. Okay, buy the dip. Weekly inside bar and NQ. Yeah. See NQ weekly inside bar. Nasdaq weekly inside bar. Is it? Yeah, Nasdaq weekly inside bar. Not really, but I'm not sure you are talking about the previous one or the current one. The current one, yeah, could be an inside bar here. Yeah. Okay, but this week inside bar hasn't formed yet. We have to wait. Okay, but daily chart, looking quite familiar with S&P. The price is likely to go up, because a lot of base here. Okay, telling me 13,889 will be a good support level. Buyers are here, accumulated buyers are here. Okay, so as long as this place is covered by the boost, the price is very unlikely to go down and it may goes up to create a new high, right? That's possible. So you have to be aware of this. So Nasdaq still have chance to wait for another high. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has performed very nice on April 26, okay, which is 2 days ago. Had a strong bullish engulfing. Okay, while the Ethereum is going all-time high, but Bitcoin loses power, so you can consider to long Ethereum versus BTC. Okay, you can see here the ETH versus BTC already touched 0.31 and breaks all-time high, which means the money will flows into the Ethereum, okay, from Bitcoin or from other side. So I will be highly recommend to long Ethereum because it becomes the #1 top strongest cryptocurrency right now. Okay, the Ethereum has beat the Bitcoin. Okay, makes all-time high. Okay, so if you want to have some rally, you want to have some gains, okay, from the long side, I will say, yeah, consider Ethereum rather than Bitcoin. Okay, talking about Bitcoin itself, all right, I would think after this strong bullish engulfing candle, the price will keeps moving up to 60K again, okay, around this level. And then you will have to wait for the price action to see whether there might be a reversal here or another break up and go. Okay, we're not sure, but this space is quite yet confirmed. Okay, it's quite confirmed that the price may go back to 60K. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum very strong. Okay, nice daily inside bar breakup here. Okay, beautiful rally. Okay, instant money made from this inside bar breakup, and it may continue going up because the new high was just created and nothing can stop Ethereum right now. Okay, and I don't see any ABCD patterns yet. Okay, it may just keeps going up, like 2,800 maybe. For the LTC have the same thing with the Bitcoin. It pulls back to the previous structure here, while the 618 is also here as well. Here, 618, 231 becomes very strong support. Strong engulfing candle happens here. Okay, so we tentatively want to buy the pullback and aim 300 again. So this is for the LTC, right? LTC, we are using this level 228 to 201. We're using this level to long. Okay, if you miss the entry here, you may want to pull back to buy from 241 or 250. In forward chart, yeah, I will consider to use another 618 here, which is 229.46, right? Try to buy the LTC from 229.46. Okay, it could give you a very sweet result. Okay, try to buy from here for the Ethereum, right? Sorry, for the LTC. Okay, for the Ripple. Okay, Ripple, looks good. Ripple has been break this previous support and break down, become pressure, another touch, pressure, then it goes up again. All right, so now 1.20 is a very strong support for the Ripple. You may want to consider to buy the Ripple from here and aim 1.7 or 200 or $2. Okay, it could give you another 30 to 50% gain from here. Okay, so pull back, you want to definitely want to buy the Ripple. Okay, what else? If you have any questions you want me to find out, you can tell me. Okay, yeah, I will try to give you guys this my solutions or my answers here. Any other products you want to know? Can you look at Nasdaq? Already checked Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I'm saying the daily chart very strong. Okay, so this if this level can support the price, okay, it may goes up to give a new high. But tentatively want to long the Nasdaq. Okay, despite the recent downfall, it will just be a pullback. Okay, so you can use the 13,880. 13,880 will be a good price level to check. Long from here. Okay, of course, if you want to long from 13,800, that would be a best price for you to entry. No, it's not a double top yet. Okay, if you want to trade a double top, okay, let me just clarify with you. If you want to trade a double top, okay, the very first thing you're going to have is you have to wait for the price to break the neckline, and then you can consider this as a double top, right? If the price are just like this, right, didn't really break the potential neckline, it is not a double top. It could be going to become this kind of a triangle breakup, okay? So it's really depends on the market, whether you want to go down to break the neckline and then pull back and then goes down again, all right? So the daily chart, it is not a double top. It is not a double top yet. Only when the price break 13,700, then it could be form the double top. Okay, all right, sure. Uh, Tesla, right? Okay, Tesla. All right, Tesla break the triangle, break up and pull back, right? You can consider that buy some Tesla from 600 level, 690. Yeah, but if you buy from here, you better put your stop loss below 266.2. Okay, use this pivot as your stop loss, okay, to set your stop loss, because you don't want to lose the money all the way down here, right? Okay, so we have a kind of a double bottoms, right, and pull back to neckline. Neckline is here, okay, so Tesla could find some support to have another rally back to 800. Russell said there's a bearish gully hit on TP1 on Nasdaq already. Okay, sure. What do you think about the dot? Sure. Dot is okay to buy the DOT from 28 level, which is very obvious here. A lot of buyers here. Okay, you can see a lot of inside bar here as well. The inside bar breaks up, right? This is another inside bar sell here. Inside bar sell, we earn money. So dot, I will say, yeah, try to buy from 29, 30 or 28 level. It may go back to 40 again. Nifty 50. Okay, Indian stocks, sure. Oh, what is the behavior of Indian stocks? Wow, awesome, right? So the whole world stocks markets are crazy because a lot of money are printing. Okay, and the people feeling of inflation, fears of or the money going to be, you know, getting depreciated, and that's why the money is going to other financial markets, right? Yeah, Nifty quite strong, going up. Buy some. You want to buy some because the recent channel has been broken. Okay, broken this channel, so it may go up to give a new high, maybe. Yeah. All right, let me just look at another good product, Canadian yen. Canadian yen has been rallied very well. Okay, it breaks a downtrend line. Okay, performs another rally. It looks like we're going up the for a second bullish continuation. The weekly chart, the Canadian yen may likely to go back to 95. I will say 95 here. Okay, so another 700 pips for the Canadian yen. It's highly possible for the Canadian to rally to this much. Okay, so trying to buy the Canadian yen from here. Okay, aim for this 700 pips gain. Plug power, sure. PLUG. All right, looks good. The bearish trend line was broken. Okay, price trying to going up. Okay, in 4-hour chart. Okay, so PLUG is okay to buy, or you want to buy some buy some core options. I think the best entry could be the 618 at 26 level. Use this level as your main entry zone here. Okay, try to buy some from 26 to 26.7777. Okay, the plug is okay to long and aim for this gap 40, right? At least it will bounce back to 40. Yeah, it may get going up to 56 to testing this this place. Okay, 40 and 56 for the plug. right? This is what I'm feeling. All right. Is any other questions? Like any other crypto markets you want me to see? Gold already covered. Gold already covered. 1 hour chart, beautiful wedge broken. Okay, strong bullish bar here. Okay, trying to buy the pullback of the gold. Gold is okay to buy. Yeah, 1764 has been proved to be a very strong support. All right, this level being proved a very strong support. A 4 hour pin bar just shows, right? You should already enter the longs here. Already enter the longs here. 1 hour bet on oil too, bullish jack. FEYE, sure. FEYE, Fire Eye. Well, what's this company? Fire Eye, right? What is this company? Oh, $100. Back to 25. 54. 12. $6. Looks if I were you, I would try to buy from $16 here. Yeah. The downside room is here. Okay. Not sure about this company, but not a good choice for me. Yeah. The price is too volatile. Not a very good symbol that you want to track. 1 hour chart too bullish on oil. Sure. See. Okay, oil going long the oil. Okay. Oil has already broken the trend line here. Okay, go to daily chart, check why the trend line was broken. Okay, 4 hour chart. Okay, it's going to test the previous high and a very strong candle formed. So oil is okay to buy. Okay, buy where? Here, 63.82. Okay, oil will be very strong. Okay, it will keeps going up, right? Swiping all the sellers. Going to test 65 or 67. I think it keeps going up to move to 66. Okay, so don't short oil, buy it. It's still with the overall long trend line. Okay, very bullish. Triangle broken. Test another rally is going up. ICICI, what's that? What's that? ICICI Bank. Oh, Indian Bank. Did he? Okay, go for it. Inside the bar breaks up. Buy. Very strong signal here. Inside the bar break up. Buy it, right? Okay, buy it. ICICI. So another Indian friends, right? Okay, good luck. What else? Sterling dollar. Okay. For sterling, I will just wait for this trend line to be broken, right? Broken retest, and I will definitely go for a buy. Okay. Otherwise, I will consider to sell it, and it may goes down. All right, but don't forget there's a FOMC meeting coming soon, right? So you can wait for the FOMC meeting to tell you which direction you will go. Okay, wait for the fundamental events to be over, and then you pick your side. Okay, use the patterns that I teach to go for a good entry here. DAX, right? Okay, sure. German 30 DAX. German 30. Okay, DAX. For DAX, it's very high place. Okay. Look left. Nothing inside. Nothing in the left. So generally still or upside trend. 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour chart. You have to watch this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 touch. The low is getting higher. Okay, and it just broken the downtrend line. So it's okay to buy the DAX. And if you see here, there's inside bar patterns occurred. Okay, so yeah, it's okay to long the DAX right now. Stop loss given 15305, and if it goes up to, I think, to test 154,484. Okay, the DAX, we want to aim for this level. Bank Nifty. Yeah, I don't want to cover another banks Nifty because ICICI already covered. I think all the Indian banks is going up. It's definitely boomed for this industry. Yeah. Because the Nifty is going up. Of course, the banking industry going up. How much you make daily? Well, it really depends. Sometimes like 20K, sometimes like 40K, sometimes like 3K. I don't know. It really depends on what kind of a trading opportunity I'm get, right? But I can tell you every time when I made money, I'm just losing. I'm just risking a lot, very minimum risk. Like I only risk like $400 or $600 to exchange of like 4K or 60K. Yeah. So use a small risk to gain for a big win, right? Yeah. If you want to look at my trading record, I can show you some kind of a past performance I have made. Let me just show you. So this is my Chinese website, but I have covered this record here. Okay, for example, I can make, yeah, grow my account from 7,700 to 35K in just 3 days. Okay, so this is January 20th. Okay, 7,000 to 35K. Really happened. Okay, from 23K to 30K in 2 days. From 50K, from 50K to 99K in 20 days. From 37K to 52K in 1 day. Yeah, but every time my risk is very limited, like $300 or $800, but my win is setting as a very high target, like 2K win, 1.8K win, right? So reward and risk ratio is a very good thing. Okay, 5K to 15K in 3 days. This happens in March. Okay. Yeah, so this just tells you many method I'm use is quite powerful, like inside the bar, like pin bar, like harmonic patterns, right? There's hundreds of ways you can capture the trend, right? But the only thing you need to bother is where is your stop loss? Can you use a very minimum risk, okay, very minimum risk to have such gain, right? Like 6 to 1 reward and risk ratio. Right? It's your job to give yourself a very small risk tolerance, but in exchange of a very high reward. Okay. So if you keep doing this, it keeps changed with $200 to $400 risk ratio 2 to 1, 50% winning ratio, and you're going to get consistent profits, right? Yeah. So that's how I did in my trading career. Okay, so you have just wait for just trade on one and more trading opportunities, find more and more patterns. Okay, that you recognize, that you know that is proved to be useful, that you have a very clear entry, clear stop loss, clear targets, right? And you see, oh, okay, yeah, this room is good for me to, yeah, take my risk, put my risk on this trade, right? How do you calculate the possible risk for one trade? 2% rules, very simple. Okay, for example, if you have 100,000, all right, every single trade, do not lose more than 2%. Is that very simple? Any advice to say for a 17-year-old trade? Yeah, just keep learning and keeps learning new stuff, keeps learning new patterns, and remember those profitable patterns, right? Such as what I teach inside about Inside bar is definitely very good pattern for you. Okay, inside bar breaks up, inside bar breaks down, right? You have to master all kinds of traditional patterns like triangle, like pinners, like double bottoms, double tops, right? Neckline, okay? But you have to understand where is your entry, where's your stop loss, and where is your target. Okay, do not focus too much on single one trade, right? Your expectation should be set very low for one single trade, but you can expect overall growth after 20 or 30 trades that you made, right? Sure. Anything else? DOG already covered DOG, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, this one. Oh, why this thing is so expensive? It's 30K. Oh, dollar. Looks good. Looks under ready. It's going up. Yeah. It may go back to 38K for the DOG. Crypto, right? DOGE. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can buy the DOGE. You use this zone here for you to buy. Already see the breakout, right? Breakout, pullback, buy. Aim 0.40 and even higher, okay? Because this thing has already started the bullish trend, right? Followed by a harmonic pattern here. Okay, now the harmonic pattern complete. Price reversed. Downtrend line was broken. Okay, flat consolidation. Consolidation just broken, just pull back. You can go for a long here. Buy some DOGE. Okay, yeah, I will put a buy here. Break 0.22. You can stop loss here. Put your stop loss below this pin. You're welcome. Okay, so I think, yeah, just to be careful about the FOMC meeting. It may create very strong volatility, yeah, and trying to buy the dip of all the major currencies. Okay, short dollar yen after the pullback. Dollar yen short from 109.66. Okay, sterling, you want to buy the pullback, you want to buy the breakout. Okay, gold, it's okay to buy with a 1766 level. Buy buy the gold. Aim for 1790, yes, at least. Oil, buy the pullback. Okay, pulling back here. Oil is a buy from here. Dollar Swiss long from 0.90. Okay, dollar Swiss may go to 0.90 and you may consider buy from here. S&P still bullish trend, keeps going up. Yep, just use inside bars, use pin bars to create for the long entry. German 30 bullish. Okay, inside bar just break up. So buy the DAX and aim for 15 and 400. Weekly live, thanks sir. Weekly live. What do you mean? What do you mean by weekly live? You mean this streaming? Yeah, I will try to make a streaming every Wednesday, same time here. It's about 10 p.m. in the Singapore time. Yeah, every Wednesday, and the recording will be uploaded to youtube.com/Projack here, so you can visit my YouTube channel. You can have all my past record the YouTube. Yes, Wednesday. Sure. Okay, if no more questions, I will end the session here. Okay, good to talk to you guys. See you next week. Yeah. So plan your trade, enter your plan. Happy trading, happy life. Okay, sure. And if you want to learn from me, you can go to harmonicasia.com to further to my course, okay, I do have developed this special trading course to help one trader to gain experience and again to recognize enough patterns, okay, to gain these 6 essential skills that you will benefit for a lifelong time. Okay, you can use all my strategies. You can join my students group. You can find to this profitable patterns, right? So this is a improved, very powerful trading course that you can consider to learn. Right, it's still available online. You can just learn it from home, and more importantly, you can just I will be your mentor to guide guide you through this market over and over again. Right. So see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for coming.